Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mike Lovelace with Lovey's Fat Life, and today we're going to do part 2 of this Rainforest Adventures Discovery Zoo that is located near the Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, and Sevierville area, nestled in the heartbeat of the Great Smoky Mountains. So come hang with us. This is part 2 of 2. We're going to wrap this up with some more monkeys and some reptiles, some snakes, and some birds, and just finishing up this reptile zoo discovery adventure that we went on. Again, this is definitely worth it if you got kids or even if you don't have kids. Thanks, like, and subscribe.
Blue and gold macaw. It's a cuckoo bird, kookaburra. Cuckoo. Huge birds, a lot bigger than you think. Sad. Looks like an old man. Sorry about that, bud. Are you mad at me? Huh? Are you mad at me? Are you mad? Huh? Are you mad? Are you mad? That lemur is cleaning his tail. The two that was in the corner are on the ground right here now. There's tamarins. South American toads. Those things are huge.
Oh, he's beautiful.
King snake. These just hatched not long ago.
something, you see it.
Yeah, here's a big one.
Argentine teku.
Burmese python.
He may strike at you, Daddy.
He might get me at.
No, he can't get you, but he can't strike you. It looks like he's asleep. Yeah, he's definitely asleep.
Argentine
Teku.
tegu. 48 inches long. They get big.
Look at their little faces. Go to that side and you can see his face from that side. Beautiful little face. Oh my goodness, Michael, how cute is that? Oh, you are so cute. Oh my goodness. You're so cute. You're so cute.
Avery! Avery! She's right over here. Don't run off. Go on.
Where are the dragons? Very cool. I don't know about having 5 of them in an enclosure, but HOG Island boa. You can't see its face. There it is.
Here, this way. They're this way. Turtles are this way.
Skink.
Did you get this boa, Mike?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get his face?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get this bearded dragon?
No, they're better, buddy. We feed them in the mornings.
Snake. That's what I'm trying to get Anthony to get.
You see it? Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah, down here.
It's a lizard. Boa constrictors. They have 2 in here, so they must be trying to mate them. There's one on his face, albino. And the other is right there. They're intertwined. Actually, there's 3 in there. There's 3 in there. The other one's right here. And I missed it. What's wrong? Dirty dragon. It's a ball python. A little bit of glare. What's that one called, Aunt?
It's a beauty snake.
Taiwanese beauty snake.
A what?
Taiwanese beauty snake.
Taiwanese beauty snake. And drinking water. You don't see them drink water often.
I see snakes drinking water a whole lot. More toads. More toads.
You don't like it.
What is that? Look over here. I'm showing this art thing so she can see it.
That's good.
Look at here. See
That's
that?
all right.
Oh, look, he's got a pacifier, Cookie. See how much like, I thought.
In fact, they're still back there. Somebody used Windex on this glass.
Did y'all just headbutt that? Did y'all did?
Sneak over and look.
They use invisible glass.
It's up there. Oh, there's water sitting on the box. No, there's a glass there.
Yeah, he's sick.
That's the closest thing to looking like a bear that we've seen.
You are right.
We're supposed to average 1 bear per acre in the Smokies, and we haven't seen one yet. That's all he does. I walked right by him.
Because I saw him, he was down here.
Remember alligator?
Yeah, but we've been this.
Cute. Hi.
They're like a greenish color.
Hi. How are you? You're so cute. Scratch your behind. What you doing up there? Oh, what are you doing? You're so cute. Yes, you are. You are precious. Is that good? Oh my God. You're so cute.
Porcupines are huge.
I think they get 3 to 4 feet.
That one's 4 to 5 feet by itself. African porcupine.
We saw him move around as he like lifted up all those spines. And then he settled down right there.
Toucan. Yeah, they're beautiful. I wish I could see his face.
Don't even look real good.
They're beautiful. The toucan.
Oh,
That's a fruit-like bird.
you're beautiful. You are so beautiful. Yes, you are. You are beautiful. Yes, you are. You're giving us a whole profile, aren't you?
I'm bragging.
Yeah.
All right, so as I mentioned in part 1 of this, they do have an awesome gift shop, and they have just fossils. They have some gems, stuffed animals, just a ton of stuff in here. Of course, this is how they make their money, but and this stuff is not cheap. But I would definitely check it out if you have a chance to go to the Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, and Gatlinburg area. And if you have kids, there's a great opportunity to go to the Adventurous Rainforest Zoo, Discovery Zoo, and it's really not that much. I think adults like $12.99. It's not very expensive at all. But I'll put a link to their website in this video. But a lot of dinosaur stuff, a lot of gift stuff. Didn't really show dinosaurs inside, but really cool area. Thanks, like, and subscribe. Thank you.
Sloth stuffed animal.